Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. So we spend a lot of time talking about the interior, the inside of homes, how they look, how to create a vibe and a style that you really love. But now we're going to do something different. We're going to take a look at some of the exteriors of homes, the outsides, and how to identify certain styles. Grab a cup of coffee, cup of tea, and let's go. Modern home style is all about clean lines, open spaces, and simplicity with purpose. It often features large windows for natural light, a neutral color palette, and a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. Materials like concrete, glass, steel, and natural wood are commonly used to create a sleek yet warm aesthetic. It's minimal but functional. Every design choice serves both form and function, making modern architecture a timeless favorite for those who value both style and practicality. Victorian home exteriors are known for their ornate details, steep gabled roofs, and asymmetrical designs. These homes often feature decorative trim, also called gingerbread detailing, along with porches and roof lines. You'll also notice tall, narrow windows, vibrant or contrasting color palettes, bay windows, and turrets or towers that give them almost a fairy tale-like charm. Wraparound porches, patterned shingles, and intricate woodwork make Victorian homes stand out as elegant, historic, and full of character. Georgian-style homes are known for their classic elegance and symmetrical design. Typically 2 or 3 stories tall, these homes feature brick or stone facades, paneled front doors with decorative crowns, and evenly spaced multi-pane windows, often with shutters. Roofs are usually side-gabled or hipped with minimal overhang. Decorative cornices and formal entryways reflect the style's roots in 18th century British architecture, giving Georgian homes a timeless, stately presence. Ranch-style homes are known for their single-story, low-to-the-ground profile and long horizontal layout. Popularized in the mid-20th century, these homes often feature large front windows, attached garages, wide eaves, and simple roof lines, usually gabled or hipped. Exteriors are typically made with brick, wood, or stucco, and many include sliding glass doors that lead to patios, emphasizing a strong connection to outdoor living. Ranch homes are practical, open, and effortlessly casual. American craftsman homes are known for their charming, handcrafted look and emphasis on natural materials. These homes typically feature low-pitched gabled roofs, wide overhanging eaves with exposed rafters, and tapered porch columns set on stone or brick piers. Earth tone color palettes and wood or shingle siding give them a really warm, grounded feel. Front porches are a key element, often inviting and spacious, reflecting the style's focus on simplicity, craftsmanship, and connection to nature. Tudor-style homes are instantly recognizable by their steeply pitched gable roofs, decorative half timbering, and tall, narrow windows, often with leaded glass. Exteriors typically combine brick, stone, and stucco, giving them a rich, textured look. Arched doorways, prominent chimneys, and asymmetrical facades add to their storybook charm. Inspired by medieval English cottages, Tudor homes bring a timeless, old-world elegance to any neighborhood. I just want to say these are always so recognizable. Mid-century modern homes are known for their sleek, minimalist exteriors and strong connection to nature. Key features include flat or low-pitched roofs, clean horizontal lines, large floor-to-ceiling windows, and open facades that blur the line between indoors and outs. Many feature natural materials like wood, stone, and glass, often with asymmetrical shapes and bold geometric forms. These homes embrace simplicity, function, and the beauty of indoor-outdoor living. One of my favorites, Mediterranean-style homes are inspired by the coastal villas of Spain, Italy, and Greece, and are known for their warm, inviting exteriors. Key features include stucco walls, red clay tile roofs, arched doorways and windows, and wrought iron details. You'll often see balconies, courtyards, and lush landscaping that complement the home's breezy, sun-soaked aesthetic. These homes are designed to embrace outdoor living and evoke the relaxed elegance of the Mediterranean coast. Gothic home exteriors are dramatic and romantic, characterized by pointed arches, steeply pitched roofs, and ornate detailing. You'll often see tall, narrow windows, many with stained glass or intricate tracery, alongside decorative elements like finials, spires, and stone carvings. Flying buttresses and asymmetrical facades add to the grandeur. Inspired by medieval European cathedrals, Gothic homes evoke a sense of mystery and timeless elegance, making them truly stand out in any neighborhood. Federal-style homes are known for their refined symmetry and elegant simplicity. Inspired by classical Roman and Greek architecture, exteriors typically feature brick or clapboard facades, tall, narrow windows often arranged in pairs, and decorative elements like fan lights over the front door and side lights. Roofs are usually low-pitched or flat with minimal overhang. You'll often see delicate ornamentation like elliptical windows, giving federal homes a timeless appeal. I just want to say, whenever a child draws a home, 9 times out of 10, it's a federal-style home. Cape Cod-style homes are charming and practical, known for their steeply pitched roofs, symmetrical facades, and central chimneys. Originally designed to withstand harsh New England weather, these homes often feature wood shingle or clapboard siding and dormer windows that add space and light to the upper level. The front door is typically centered with minimal ornamentation, giving Cape Cod homes a cozy, timeless appeal rooted in early American colonial design. So this is definitely a special one. This was one of the treats that we have at Storybook. Now, Storybook homes look like they've been pulled straight from a fairy tale. Their exteriors often feature steeply pitched, swooping roofs, arched doorways, uneven stone or brickwork, and very whimsical chimneys. Asymmetrical facades, leaded glass windows, charming details like rounded doors add to their magical old-world feel. Inspired by European cottages and medieval villages, Storybook homes are full of personality and charm, designed to enchant at first glance. Shotgun-style homes are narrow, rectangular houses, usually no more than 12 feet wide, with rooms arranged in a straight line from front to back. They are popular in the southern United States, especially New Orleans. These homes often feature charming front porches with columns or decorative trim, tall windows, and a single front door centered or slightly offset. Now, their unique layout and compact footprint make them ideal for urban lots, but their distinctive historic charm gives them lasting appeal. And little fun fact for you, if you want to know why they are called shotgun style homes, it's because theoretically you could stand at the front door, shoot a shotgun, and the bullet would go out the back door. Remember, everything's in the line.